What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel, Buy the Dip. That's right, guys. And then today, we are really going to talk about a great opportunity in a stock that I'm very, very bullish on. That's right, guys. And I think that we need to go over some of the stuff that I found. Now, we're just going to talk about this stuff today about my second favorite stock. That is Gnus Brands. And I love seeing the support that this stock has because I think this is one that the people is missing out on, man. And we're going to go over some facts that has been talked about on Stock Twits and go over what people are saying, man. I've been reading over it, and there's a lot of bulls on there. That's right, a lot of bulls on Stock Twits. And people have a big support for Gnus Brands, and I think 2021 is going to be the year we take off to the moon on Gnus Brands, guys. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. So, guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, we are here on Stock Twits, and I want to say a big shout out to the man Buy the Fear 2020. He is bullish on Gnus Brands. He says Gnus eventually will take off like Bitcoin. When it does, I'll be in, not chasing FOMO like everyone else is doing with cryptocurrency. Load up, wait for the news that is coming, and make the massive jump. And he put this here, which shows a lot of stuff here, guys. Look at this. Gnus Smart moves big. Gnus Smart money follows big money. Lots of institutions are increasing their holdings. They must know something we don't. Guys, look at this here. BlackRock Inc. reports 486.57 increase of ownership of Gnus Brands. The California Public Employees Retirement System reports 396% increased ownership of Gnus Brands. Vanguard Group reports 315% increased ownership of Gnus Brands. Bank of America reports 298% increased ownership of Gnus Brands. Ambassador Advisors reports 313% increase of Gnus. Millennium Management 772% increased ownership of Gnus. You're getting what's going on here, guys. Big institutions are increasing their position in Gnus Brands. So we saw one there with BlackRock. If you look here on the FinTech website, so my man must have did some research of companies that you can see here. For an example, I'm going to show you down here where BlackRock bought, and that was right here on November the 6th. You see here where it says 493,000 shares. Well, that was what they previously had, as you can see. And then here on the 6th, they increased that to 2.894 million shares in Gnus now. So they bought another like over 2 million, 2.3 million, 2.4 million shares of Gnus Brands. And if you don't know who BlackRock is, let me get in here and show you just a quick Wikipedia. BlackRock is an American multinational investment management corporation based in New York City, founded in 1988, initially a risk management fixed income institutional. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with 7.81 trillion in assets, guys. That's right. And if you look here, Larry Fink is the main dude. That's right. Larry Fink is the chief executive officer, guys. So basically, this company is responsible. If you hand them money, they are supposed to invest your cash and give you returns on your cash. And this company bought $2.4 million worth of shares of Gnus Brands, and they're the largest investment firm in the company, in the United States, guys. I'm just so hyped up. But that is what this man is saying here on Stock Twits. I think that is really huge that we put all those pieces together. And leading up to the thing, I know we did the video a while back on the Marvel with Stan Lee. That was just rumors and speculations, guys. I never said that was definitely going to happen. That was just my opinion, guessing, leading up, trying to put it all together. It made sense. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. A lot of people thinking now that due to the holidays and stuff, that people's doing things with their family and all. So here in this first quarter 21, we're going to get some big news of Gnus Brands and Marvel. All right, guys, this here says about how Gnus Brands, my man here, Frude2047, is saying how they're going to be 10 million in revenue market, the Chizcom revenues, plus merchandise revenues, advertising revenues, the sale of the season of show 3 or 4 million. Revenue from the Marvel deal, that is exactly what we're talking about. We know the Marvel deal's coming. Andy has told us there is a deal coming. We just don't know when with Marvel. There's a guaranteed and could be way over 10 million with the mountain of upcoming catalysts. which most haven't even been announced yet, which is very true. As you can see right here, this article by the Seeking Alpha, he also shared, is saying how the Chiscom is estimated near to be 37 million in revenue for them, guys. Next year in 21 is going to be the make or break year, in my opinion, for Genius Brands, because we got kindergarten superhero Arnold Schwarzenegger. We're also going to have more news coming out about Shaq's garage, which is huge. And as we know from Shaq's interview, and we covered this in the last video we did on Genius Brands, Shaq is going to have his celebrity friends coming in doing voiceovers on his show. And that means all of their friends is going to be sharing this. Come watch this cartoon about children. Let's help the children out. Let's get them some entertainment, guys. This is brewing up here, man. This is brewing up. And right now, at these prices where Genius Brands is at, we're in for some crazy stuff to happen. Just when one bit of news happens, you guys got scared before. All the bulls out there got scared. When this thing was almost at $2, it was like $1.90 something, and we thought we were off to the moon, but it was a little bit of a pump and dump. That's what kind of happened. Now we're down to $1.30 some. But guys, I'm telling you, it's going to happen where we're going to come out here. And let's go take a look at my Robinhood account real quick, and let's go over some price points and price targets for 21. Let's go over that. So if we're here talking about Genius Brands, we're setting today at $1.35. Scroll down here and look at what I have, guys. I have 1,000 shares of Genius Brands at an average cost of $1.65. But as you guys know, that's not true. I did $2 cash secured puts. Collected premiums, I had to buy the 100 shares at $2 a piece. But I was getting like anywhere from $60 to $70 on premiums when I was doing these a while back. But you guys know that if you follow me. $1.65, I'm happy with that cost all day. That's easy money. I still got an options contract as well, guys. This thing does not expire until January 21st of 2022. Woo-wee! That's all I'm going to say on that one. That is going to be a gold mine. I can see that thing going up to $400 or $500, if not even more than that this year, with all the great news coming out. So, let's go back up here. Let's talk about these price targets, guys. Honestly, in 21, as soon as we can get news about the Marvel deal, I believe, the Marvel deal, Andy comes out and says, hey, we're using the Stan Lee universe. We're using Marvel. We're going to put them back together for this Marvel deal with Genius Brands for the children. And this stock is going to go over $3 to $5 in my opinion, guys. As soon as we can get that Marvel deal and that thing gets announced, woo-wee is all I'm going to say. Marvel is huge. As you know, that was Stan Lee's creation. Genius Brands has everything after that, deal with the Marvel. So, Genius Brands is creating all this new content, and I like what Andy is doing, getting these celebrities involved, and not only getting them involved, but he's making them shareholders. He's paying these celebrities in shares to make them interested in Genius Brands, guys. That's right. Arnold Schwarzenegger is a shareholder. Shaquille O'Neal is a shareholder. So that is huge. It gets them motivated to do good shows, to get their friends involved, to get this thing advertised, and not only that, we got it for the children, guys. We got it for the children. That is right. And you know that Warren Buffett also is a part of that. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, we're here on Genius Brands. That's right. And if you go here to the brands, look at this brands. We got the Rainbow Rangers. We got Llama Llama. We got Stanley Superhero Kindergarten. We got Baby Genius. We got the Warren Buffett Secret Millionaires Club. And we got Thomas Edison Secret Lab and Space Pop. We don't even have Shaquille O'Neal listed on here yet, but we know it's coming. Guys, I've heard from a lot of people that this show is a must-watch. There's even a little tune down here you can click on and listen to about the Warren Buffett. Now, as we've talked about this on the channel before, guys, Warren Buffett is all about helping children. What is Warren Buffett looking to do when he passes away? Warren Buffett is donating all his money to charities. Now, I don't know exactly which charities and all his money is going to go to, but that is what he's looking to do. Now, I'm not saying he's going to give money to Genius Brands, but I'm going to say that he's going to put his money towards the children. A portion of his money is going to go towards the children. So, could you imagine if Warren Buffett takes a stake in Genius Brands, buying some shares up at these low costs? Could you imagine what the price would do then? There's just so much news around this, guys, with Genius Brands and where it's going to go in the future. I'm so excited. I got 1,000 shares. I got an options contract, and I couldn't be more happier. That's right. I mean, I'm a big bull on Genius Brands, and at these prices, I'm looking at even getting more because I know this is going to be a 3. Let's talk about the price points now. 21, I'm putting a $3 to $5 price point on this, man. There is so much big news for 21 that I just don't see how at the end of 21, this is not at minimum a $3 stock. At 21, going into 22, January 1st of 22, I do not see how this is not over $3 at some point in the year of 21, guys. So that's just my opinion. Take it for what it's worth. I know there's a lot of bulls on the stock twits that believe in that as well. If you don't believe me, get on stock twits and just type in Genius Brands and look at how many people support this stock, including your boy here. That's right, I support it. So guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. And I'm with you, man. I am a big bull on Genius Brands. I've been doing Genius Brands videos probably since end of July, early August, because I just really believe in this company. I think Andy's doing a phenomenal job of getting celebrities in there doing these shows. And I'm really loving his approach on getting this out there. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.